Hello, welcome to Chapter 6, Section 4. This will be the last chapter. We talk about focus pitching for a while, and over the last couple of weeks, I've told you that focus pitch is generally on new information. In the last class, we talked about 3 exceptions to that rule, and in this class, in this review lesson, we will talk about 2 more exceptions to the rule. Again, the major rule is new information. Focus pitches on new information most of the time, but there are 5 times that is not true. And in this lesson, we will go over 2 more exceptions to the new information placement rule. So go ahead and open your books to page 102. And on page 102, you'll see a video or a picture of an American TV show there. But again, because of copyright, I can't show it to you. So what I'm going to do instead is imitate the intonation and the way these 2 people talk in this movie, in this clip. What I want you to know is that in general, they follow the new information rule. So nap is the last bit of new information, so there will be a focus pitch there. Hugsy is the last bit of new information, so you will hear a focus pitch there. But here in the last little thought group, Joey does something that the rules I've taught you so far can't explain. Something special will happen here. Where is the focus pitch? Ready? Here we go. Just listen for the focus pitch in the last line. Here we go. I'm trying to put Emma down for a nap. Have you seen Hugsy? Original or crappy? What I hope you've noticed is that there's 1 thought group, but there's 2 focus pitches. And this happens in a very special case in English. In English, when we make contrast, when we compare 2 things, there's 2 focus pitches on any items being compared. So here's a rule I want you to write down. This is contrastive focus pitch. When the speaker makes a contrast, both of the words or syllables being contrasted have focus pitch syllables. So far I've told you 1 thought group, 1 focus pitch. This is the rule that breaks, this is the exception that breaks that rule. So if you have a contrast, if you're comparing 2 things, focus pitch will appear on both things being compared. So go ahead and go down some more and let's go to the next exception. Again, there will be a video here. Because of copyright, I can't show it to you, but I will try to imitate the intonation of the people speaking in the video. So, in this movie, a person named Chandler and a person named Slade will start talking. What I want you to pay attention, though, is the last sentence here, the last thought group. I want you to pay attention to the way Slade says this information. In a sense, this is new information, but he does something special with it. So, listen to the conversation. What is the last thought group's focus pitch like? Ready? Here we go. All right, look, I know I'm a little bit older than you guys, but it's not like a Bob Hope. The comedian? USO. It's USA, sir. I hope you noticed that in this one, only the A had a focus pitch, and it was very, very high. The reason why he does this is because he's correcting a mistake in a previous sentence. In English, when we correct people, when we disagree with somebody, there's a very special type of focus pitch. It's very, very strong, and it was used in this conversation. This is also a hard one because it's really, really big. It's got a big rule. Here's what I want you to know. This is called corrections focus pitch. When you correct someone, it could even be just disagreeing with somebody. But when you correct someone, the word or the words that correct the information in the previous statement have focus pitch. Furthermore, the focus pitch can be on any word, even non-content words. So far I've told you focus pitch is on content words. Corrections focus pitch can be anywhere. And there can be more than 1 focus pitch in a thought group. So far I've told you 1 thought group, 1 focus pitch. This rule breaks that rule. So if there's 4 mistakes in a thought group, then there will be 4 focus pitches in it. Or at least there could be. All right, so that brings us to the end of this section, but there is one more thing I want you to know. And this is on page 107. What I want you to know is that so far I've been relating focus pitch to pragmatic concerns and cognitive concerns. That's a fancy way of saying I've said focus pitch is related to something that is new rather than old. But that's not always true. There are other ways focus pitch gets used. In particular, focus pitch is also related to emotions. So when people are angry, they tend to use lots of focus pitches. When people are sad, they don't use focus pitch very much. And when people whisper, there's no intonation at all. So if you were to ask me, do English speakers always use focus pitch? The honest answer is no, they don't, because focus pitch is related to more than just information status. It's also related to emotions. And I'm not going to teach you how to be emotional in this class, but I do want you to know focus pitch is related to emotions as well. So there are times, especially in emotional English, when focus pitch will do all sorts of things that I haven't taught you. I do want you to know that that exists. You've also probably noticed by now that not all focus pitches are equal. So the focus pitch that indicates new information, it goes up, but it doesn't go up a lot. Intensifier focus pitch actually goes up quite a bit and is quite strong. Corrective focus pitch, disagreement focus pitch is the strongest and the highest of all of them. And even repeat focus pitch goes up higher than new information focus pitch. So even though I say focus pitch, they're not all the same. And in fact, the intensity is quite different in each kind of focus pitch. So this is the last review lesson for focus pitch for about 3 more weeks. There's one more thing you need to know about focus pitch before the end of class. But in general, this will get you through most of focus pitch in conversational English. Goodbye and good luck on the quiz.